Hi trainers, have you encountered a failed to detect location 12 error while spoofing Pokemon Go lately? Due to the recent update of Pokemon Go, many players have encountered this tricky problem. Don't worry, PoGoskill has taken the lead on this issue with the recent release of PoGo Wizard, which was specifically designed to solve the error 12 issue and works 100%. Today's video, let me show you how to use PoGo Wizard to safely fake your GPS. First, we need to download PoGo Wizard. You can get PoGo Wizard for free by contacting the customer service after purchasing PoGoskill. Then install PoGo Wizard on your computer. After installation, log in to your Apple ID. Click Install Pogo, then connect your iPhone with the computer. Click Register, enter your account number and registration code here. Now we can see that Pokémon Go has been installed on your phone. Then follow the guide to open Settings, General. Find VPN and Device Management. Tap Trust to trust the developer. Then go back to Settings, find App Store. Click on App Updates and turn it off. Now we need to install PoGoskill. You can find the installation link in the description of this video. Once installation is complete, click on Start. Then we can use PoGoskill to spoof Pokemon Go. With PoGoskill, we can teleport to anywhere on the world to catch Pokemon. Also, it can realize auto-walking. You can tap anywhere on the map and start to move. Come and try it now. So that is for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.